What we should have now is for every car that's not the truck, we should have 4 blocks of code that cause the car to appear in each of the different lanes and come to the front of the screen. So this one is going to be for the 0 lane. This one is going to be for the 1 lane, the 2 lane, and the 3 lane. And I went ahead and tested all of these, and they work beautifully. I fine-tuned all the numbers so that they look perfect. And I have that happening for all of the cars. Right? My numbers are going to be different from your numbers, but that's what you should have at the moment. And so now what we can do is we need to change the way that we're creating the cars. Right? The way that we've created the cars previously is we just had a forever loop and we randomly created a clone for all of the cars. And that was a problem because what we got were cars on top of each other, right? And we don't see that in real life, right? In real life, the cars are spaced out, right? And they don't hit each other. So we need to change this algorithm. And so what we need to do, the first step to get this complete is we need to make 2 variables. Okay, one variable is going to determine which kind of car we are going to make. The second variable that we're going to make is we're going to use to tell the program which lane to send the car down. Okay, so let's go ahead and make those variables, and then in the next video we'll talk about how to use them. So let's say make variable, and let's say which car can be the first variable, and then the second variable can be which lane. Okay, so first thing we want to do is here on the backdrops is initialize those variables, right? So which lane and which car, we're going to set them both equal to 0, because that's what you need to do when you first make a variable, is to initialize it, which means to create it and then to set it equal to its first value in the beginning of your program. So in the next video, I'll talk about how we're going to use those 2 variables to cause the cars to come out in an orderly fashion down the lanes.